Today I'm doing Tjmaxx shopping haul from bags from online stores. I've got few things there as they have now sales of many bags online. I was also in the my local Tjmaxx, but the cheapest leather bags they had were like $60 or $70, and online I found even cheaper, so I've got them and I will show you also my new backpack. So I got three things. So first I've got this cute backpack, which is Kipling nylon mid-size backpack from Kipling, and the model is called Conversation Heart Tonal City Backpack. Here is the name, and it's in color, it's pink multi mid-size. So I'll take it out. So here it is. I hope you can still find it in local Tjmaxx, but in mine I didn't see it. I only see it online, and I like the color, but online it's more really pale picture, and here is like this pink is like neon pink, and online it was like really light and not neon looking. So yeah, and let's see what it's. This is the tag. Here it comes also with this kind of cute monkey monkey, and monkey you can put here keys. I don't know if you can remove it from here or not. Yeah, I think so. You can put different kind here, but this one maybe can be. This backpack I like because it has many compartments, and it has this flap here, and then it's metal flap, and here first compartment is really deep, and it has this thingy, and you can make it like here, like loop it around so it's more secure. And then it has also this nice first pocket here, in which you can put some necessities, maybe phone. There's nice sturdy zipper. Here it has a logo, Kipling logo. Then this backpack also have two pockets, side pockets, that you can stuff them with something, and they are closed on metal snap closure. And then it has a big main compartment here, which is also lined with white material, and here you have a zipper pocket, which is not that deep, and then you have key fob even, which is very convenient. And then on this wall you have two slip pockets and small pen pocket. And also, what is cool in it, it has nice thick and comfy straps. Then they are really thick and nice, and it has back zipper pocket where you can put some other stuff, which is really deep and goes to this part, to the end. So yeah, really nice backpack, great for summer outings, summer adventures, beach, or even for bike, because it's made from this nice, I think it's water resistant. Let's see, it's 16 liters, which is 4.23 gallons. It doesn't say what fabric is this, but I think it's water resistant, I hope. So yeah, that's my new backpack. And for 30 bucks or 40, not remember. Yeah, 30, I think. Next thing I've got is bag, so I'll show you. It's also from online Tjmaxx, and it's called the Stressed Cara X Body in color wine, and it's born the Stressed Cara X Body, but it's born a brand. So let's take a look. Ta-da! Ta-da! So here's my cute bag. It was really not expensive because it was only $27, and it's made from real leather, and the quality is really good. It's like a little bit distressed because you see that wrinkles on it. And here is the bottom. It says born white, yes, and it's like round, and that crown symbol. I have sandals from them too, and they are good quality. And this bag has the strap, which looks like this. You can regulate it, and it's a nice thickness, but it cannot be detached, but it's fine. And then this bag has here back pocket, it's kind of even deep. You can put here phone or something, small wallet. Zipper is really smooth. It also comes with this thingy, which is this thing. This is like, you can, I guess, key holder or something. You can put here keys. Really nice. So you have two things. Original price of this bag was $148, but I got it for only $27, and it's still online, but I hope they don't sell it. It's genuine leather, and inside wow, it looks like this. So it's like big hole, but this bag isn't too big, but it's perfect size. You can hold here water bottle or camera, even DSLR. Here is zipper pocket here, and here you can put something. Oh, it has even these things inside. This and this. Our products are made from highest quality genuine leather. They say to not put it in direct sun, keep dry and avoid contact with lamps or wet surfaces. It can transfer on your clothing. And here it has two pockets, so 1 and 2 slip pockets. The lining is really elegant. So yeah, that's my new bag from Tjmaxx. It was occasion, and it's really nice smell also. It smells so nice. So if you still can get it, then I recommend. It has nice zipper. It's really nice and smooth, and it has nice hardware, good quality. So yeah. And last thing but not least is another bag from Tjmaxx. This one is made in Italy, leather top, zip crossbody in color black. And this one is from brand forgot name. I will check it. But it's also from leather, and it was also for 20 something or $30. And it's made from black leather, pebbled. Looks like this. It comes with this strap which is adjustable, and it can be taken off here. And it has zipper here, which is really smooth. And inside, it's look really elegant. It doesn't have any. Oh, it's from Tano brand. It doesn't have any lining, but it has just leather lining. And it has this compartment here which is on zipper, and it's also made from leather. And here it says Tano. Let's open it. Yeah, so this compartment inside, it's like covered with some like foil. It reminds me of Louis Vuitton pocket, but it's smaller. And that's just one pocket here. The rest is all black, in black leather. And this bag also smells really nice with real leather smell. And it reminds me of my mica called Julia, which I still have, but it's not using it lately. But this one is smaller, so I can wear it with when I go on my walks. It's good size because it's not too big but not too small, and also you can put here like a water bottle even, and some camera, wallet, and then you have your necessity here in smaller bag. And it was, unfortunately it's sold out, but maybe you can find it in your local Tjmaxx, or maybe it will come back. Or you can check out Tano brand. It has this strap that you can regulate to few holes. So yeah, that's all what I wanted to show my Tjmaxx haul. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next videos. And also hit notification bell to be notified when I upload next. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.